Hi guys, I've got an interesting gist for you today. My husband is one in a million. Rosie shower praises to Kachi, ultimate love. 1 month after they were declared winner of the maiden edition of the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Roxy couple seem not to get enough of themselves. Their love has continued to wax stronger with each passing day as they await when they walk down the altar. Already, Rosie has started calling Kachi her husband and she took to her Twitter account to shower him with many praises. She said he is one in a million, that she is blessed and favored to have a man like that in her life. My husband is one in a million. I am favored and truly blessed to have a man like you in my life. I love you so much, honey. Loving you is what I live for every day. Growing in love with you is spending a lifetime with you. Okay guys, wish them all the best as we patiently wait for the official wedding bell. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get notification when a story drop. Thank you.